Good afternoon, my fabulous chemistry students. Mr. Milks here. We are still in Unit 1, and I think this is something like video number 3. If you are watching this video, you should be on page 12 in your packet. And we're going to introduce the metric system and learn how to convert units today. Oh, sorry about that. So here is a whole bunch of information that is in your reference tables mostly. Notice the top piece does not have a table on it. It is not in your reference table. These bottom two, C and D, you don't need to memorize these things, but they will be at your disposal whenever you need. So, some additional notes, the most common prefixes that we're going to run into for this year. Kilo is 1,000. Centi is 1/100th. Milli is 1,000th. And the most common conversions we're going to run into, we got to get from grams to milligrams, from grams to kilograms, or from milliliters to liters, and vice versa. The King-Henry method is a very useful method for quick, painless calculation, or conversions, as long as we stay within the metric system and we're not going from feet to meters, right? We stay right in, meters to centimeters or meters to kilometers. We can very easily convert units. So let's get through an example and I'll show you what I mean. Meters to centimeters. If I have 1 meter and I need to go to centimeters, we'll see that is 1, 2 jumps to the right. So that what's going to jump is the decimal place. So I'm going to fill in my spaces with zeros, and now I have 100 centimeters. I can go from milliliters to liters. So let's find milli on the chart. Start with 100 milliliters. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3 jumps to the left. What's going to jump? That would be my decimal, 3 spaces to the left. And that is going to leave me with 0.1 liters. Milligrams to grams. Let's find milli on the chart. Start with 100 milligrams, 3 jumps to the left. What's going to jump is going to be my decimal place, and now I have 0.1 grams. If you need to pause to get through these calculations, now is the perfect time. If you're still having trouble with unit conversions of this nature, there's plenty of practice you can do in the packet, and there's all sorts of practice you can do online if you need to find additional problems. Remember, we don't practice until we can get it right. We practice until we can't get it wrong. See you guys tomorrow.